So moving is the culmination of a buyer's or seller's buying experience. So choosing the proper mover or the right mover is extremely important.
Everybody can move you. It's relatively easy to do moving from A to B. It's how's the experience while you move from A to B. If you establish a culture of excellence and customer service with employees first in mind, you're gonna have pretty happy customers. Once we started, we were like all about the experience, all about customer service. So one of the things we did in this building is investing in that office as an investment in our team. This is why we built such an incredible facility. It was, let's build a brand that changed the moving industry through emotional aspect, culture, performance as well. So our standards are very high. We have our own Movers Academy, and we put emphasis on culture. We don't have contractors, we don't subcontract, we don't use third-party companies involved in the process. We use only our employees, going through some rigorous vetting system, which result in really good movers that are also happy movers, which result in happy clients.
The way that we help agents to provide their clients with a seamless transition by assigning them to an experienced relocation consultant. It's the relocations consultant responsibility to tailor the move to meet the client's requirements. We send the most experienced move teams to ensure that we execute the move in a seamless and stress-free fashion.
And we offer all types of services from local, long distance, commercial, out, packing, crating, white glove services, and international. We also take pride in our storage services, which we own and operate 350,000 square feet of warehouses. And we offer climate controlled, fireproof storage, and just regular storage.
Each of our movers undergo an extensive background check. Once they've cleared the background check, they undergo north of 300 hours of extensive moving training. That's in training in wrapping, packing boxes, and of course, interfacing with our clients on a personal level. The reactions that we've gotten from real estate agents are high praise, and that's based on trust and loyalty, and in some circumstances, having to be agile, ensure that the most complicated move projects are treated delicately and executed seamlessly and stress-free.
The broker himself, most of the time doesn't want to refer. And the last thing they actually need is a commission from a referral. They do want you to make them feel like a rock star and make them look like a rock star. We have that confidence that no matter who refers us and what broker and what apartment, it could be a 57 million penthouse or it could be a walk-up in Astoria. Either way, we're going to deliver something that no one else delivers. And that's a A++ experience.